Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to teach you how to make vegetarian pancakes. You will need flour, eggs, milk, jamnica, salt, sugar, oil, and that's it. First, I need, here is 250 grams of flour. I will need 3 eggs, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, little bit of oil. Now 250 milliliters of milk. Okay. Here I put this here. Now I need 250 milliliters of jamnica. Now, first, I must break an egg. Wrong. First, I must break an egg. Second egg. Third egg. You see 3 eggs right here. Then I add some salt. Bam. I take this thing. I start doing this. Now I add some flour. And I keep on mixing. I add some jamnica. I keep on mixing. I add some milk. I keep on mixing. By the way, this is my first time.
That's what she said.
I keep on mixing.
Miksaj to.
In English, please. This is for English class, my brother.
Mix this. Me no gonna eat this.
Now some sugar. Now I mix. My mommy sent me this recipe, so I don't think this will be good, but hey. Brother, does this look good?
No.
A few moments later.
You see, I'm mixing. It looks bien. Now we are going to put this in the fridge. No alcohol here.
No vodka?
Oh. It's for the chef. I'm going to teach you how to make the best filling for a vegetarian pancake ever. We have 3 bananas. We have some Nutella. Freshly opened. See? Take the bananas, you put them on a plate, you take, you're gonna see, you take this,
Fork, idiot.
weak fork, I take better, and I'm going to do this. Now it does not look tasteful, but trust me, it will be. And I do the cooking in this house. And we're still alive. You have this.
Kad dolazi dio s Nutella.
Now comes the part with Nutella. Evo. Lot of Nutella. You take much Nutella. Do I need some more Nutella?
Ja,
More, never enough of Nutella. You started. Oh, here I have made this beautiful filling. Perfect. Perfect. Now I'm going to teach you how to make sex on the beach without alcohol. First, you put some water. Water. Then you put some water with taste. Peach. Yeah, water. Then you put some cranberry juice. Then you put some orange juice. Perfect. Oh, okay. Now we take these not yet pancakes from the fridge. Look at this. We take this.
paljača.
This is a heater. We take this. And we pour it on. Like this. And we wait for it to be baked. And we take one plate where we will put our pancakes. And with this, we will. It's not yet ready. What? Now we will turn it around. It's going by plan.
911.
And it's cooking.
And first pancake, it's fucked up.
No bad language, I will get minus. You see how perfect this is. Now we keep turning it around. Ooh, perfecto. Look, perfect. we make it. It's perfect.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
Okay. My brother, is this done?
No.
No. We let it here on the frying pan to.
It smells like burning.
Oh.
Oh, it's good.
It's good, good.
Yeah.
Bam! And we keep doing this. I'm going to flip this pancake.
Do it for Polly.
I have made myself these all pancakes, and now I'm going to fill it with the filling I have made before. Nutella and banana. You know, like this. More. You do it like this, and you eat it.